My name is Angie. I'm glad you're here. If this is the first time you've come, I appreciate you clicking on my video, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It doesn't obligate you to anything, it just will send you a notification so you know when I upload new videos. So today I have just a whole bunch of stuff to get done and a few things that I want to accomplish today. I'm not going to clean, I'm going to tidy. Like, I'm going to dust because the furniture's it's getting pretty dusty. So I'm going to dust and I'm going to try out something new today. So you're going to want to stay tuned for that. And then I have an unboxing I'm going to do, so you want to stay tuned for that. And then we're going to do a little bit of I can't call it a full itch to switch like Ashley does. If you don't watch Ashley on Til Vacuum Do Us part, I'll link her channel below. Go ahead and follow her. You'll love her. But I am going to switch things around just a little bit. Just kind of a mini makeover. We're not going to buy anything new. We're not going to do anything like that. But we're just going to rearrange, adjust a few things to make a small difference in the house today. So I hope you will stay tuned. So get your coffee, get all set, and let's jump into this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is open this box that came from Amazon, and I have to make sure I open it in such a way as you don't see the label on top and see my address. I probably should have done this part before I got on camera, but that's just not how I roll. So today is Labor Day, so happy Labor Day, and thank you to all of you folks who are doing the hard work outside of normal businesses to get things accomplished. We appreciate you. If I can open this box, we'll do an unboxing. Let's put it that way. So I have to tell you guys, I have wanted a robot vacuum for years. But if you've been around a while, you know that we have a corgi named Sophie who sheds like crazy. This dog, I can't even tell you how much this dog sheds. If you have something like a husky, you know that animal sheds its coat twice a year. Sophie is supposed to do a deep shed like that twice a year, but she is deep shedding her coat all the time. She is 10 years old and she is still constantly shedding a deep shed like a husky sheds at springtime. So we have burned through so many vacuums, it's ridiculous. We had a $700 Dyson that was made for commercial properties, and it lasted 3 months. Yep, 3 months. The best vacuum we have had to date was a $60 vacuum that we bought from Walmart, and it lasted 3 years, and the only reason it went out is I ran over a screw in Sean's room that I did not know was on the floor, and it burnt up the motor, it seized the motor. Other than that, that vacuum was by far doing the best job of all the vacuums we have purchased. I want to say she's on like her 7th or 8th vacuum now. I'm not sure. I stopped counting quite some time ago. I know when she was 7, we were on our 6th vacuum, and I'm sure we've gone through a few since then. So I've always hesitated about a robo vacuum because I don't know how well it would do with Sophie's coat and her shedding. But Ashley recommended this particular vacuum, and this is the Eufy. This was not a brand I had ever heard about, and this is not a sponsored video. This is not a brand I had ever heard of, but she bought it, and she has a dog who sheds named George. And she recommended it, just raved about it when she first got it. Well, I've had vacuums like that I raved about when I first got them, but within a few months they stopped working. So I was hesitant even with her recommendation to buy it until I knew how well it worked. Well, she's had it for quite some time and she is still raving about it. And about 2 weeks ago, she put something up on Instagram saying it had gone on sale. Now, Phil and I just ordered an entire house full of new carpet that's getting installed next week. So you'll see that in upcoming videos as well. But I thought, you know what? If we're going to get new carpet, we're going to get the Robo Vacuum too. So I went ahead and used her code and got this on sale. So we're going to unbox it. I don't even know what it looks like. We're going to unbox it. We're going to figure out how to get it charged up, and then we'll see how it works. If it takes all day or 24 hours to charge, then you won't see how it works in this video, but I will show you in upcoming videos. But I do want to get it out and get it charged and see what it looks like. This is like Christmas. I'm super excited to see what this is. Unboxings only happen when you can get the stuff out of the box. Ouch. Okay, so that's just an empty box. Welcome to hands-free cleaning. I like the sound of that. Got cute little wheels on the bottom. I think this is the charging base. I don't know where I'm going to put this to charge once it's down. You know what I mean? Like, hold on a second. There's a motorcycle going by. So it is Labor Day. We went from, I think it was like 94, 96 degrees yesterday to 75 degrees today. So all of the windows are open. So you're going to hear traffic. You're going to hear people on motorcycles. I can't do anything about that, so they're just proving my point for you. This is going to require some assembly, so that's going to go to Phil, because that's just what I do. I get lazy and pass this stuff off to him. I clean, he assembles. It works out for us. I guess I should ask him if it works out for us. I don't know. Okay, kind of looks like a bug. I don't know, it's pretty quiet.
It's moving.
It's making vacuum tracks even on the old carpet.
Is this all garbage?
Yes.
Any chance of taking it back?
I don't think so, no. Okay, now I'm going to start cleaning up the kitchen. We have stuff all over the countertops, and there are dirty dishes in the sink and clean dishes in the dishwasher. So I'm just going to get things tidied up.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
Okay, so here's the entryway, and I didn't do much in here except for dust the table. We're going to move this table out probably today or tomorrow, but I haven't yet decided. This is the table where Dad's ashes are. We moved the lamp upstairs into the bedroom, so that's Dad's hat, and I've just moved the candles to the other side, and that was just dusted and vacuumed. And then we moved these chairs straight, which makes it harder to watch TV for Phil, but easier to watch TV for me, and it just gives us more space in the room. So they're out a little bit so we don't knock into the walls when we rock. And then we took the upholstered chairs from the kitchen and brought them back into the living room, and I just like them better there. Extra seating for the holidays, and I like that. And we did leave a gap here because the stairs become seating when we have family members over also. So left plenty of room to walk and plenty of room there. The sofa didn't change, the end tables didn't change, and Phil still has plenty of room for his cross-stitch projects. So here is the kitchen. No, Sophie. We have the gate there so she doesn't run actually through the screen. Phil's trying to get her away from the door. It is Labor Day, so everything is open.
Sophie.
Did you lose it? There it is. She loves having ice cubes. So that'll keep her busy for a few minutes. So here's the table. We took the leaf out of it yesterday and put the wooden chairs back there. Sophie's box has been moved to back in this corner, which is a little more visually pleasant. I did wash her dog bowl and her mat. I washed both bowls, the case and the mat. That was the end of the life for that sponge. I knew I was going to replace the sponge, so I went ahead and used it to scrub all that clean. We brought the little table that was in front of the window in the living room in here, and it fits perfectly just under there. Sorry for the light, but it's really bright outside. And the Eufy is charging right here behind that chair. So it says it breathes orange until it's fully charged. So I'll show you what that means. You can see that light just coming on and off as it's breathing, which is kind of weird, but fun at the same time. And the kitchen is all cleaned up, so everything's off the countertops. Countertops have all been wiped down. Clean dishes put away. Dirty dishes have been put in the dishwasher. And everything is tidy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm all hot and sweaty. That's what happens when you actually clean. So I am going to end this here. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by, guys. We'll talk soon.